Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pergola kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Backyard Discovery Cedar Pergola. This pergola arrives in 2 large boxes. Assembling it is not a one-person job, and it took almost 6 hours for the 2 of us to get it done. But the instructions are quite easy to follow, and all the wooden pieces are pre-stained, pre-drilled, and pre-cut. When assembled, it looks exactly like the pictures online. It adds a touch of Mediterranean elegance to the backyard. It is not the most enormous pergola out there and can comfortably accommodate only 2 garden chairs. It works just fine for our yard, which is not too huge. We especially liked its decorative foot covers, which entirely hide the anchors. It features a crisscross overhead beam that provides excellent stability and can be used for hanging vines or lights. Overall, this is one of the best wood pergolas you can find, and it will make for a perfect place to relax in your backyard, lawn, or patio. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Paragon Outdoor IPA Frame Valencia Pergola. Taking a break from conventional pergolas that are supposed to have an open roof, the IPA Frame Valencia features a sliding top canopy. You can manually operate the off-white canopy and get some shade on hot summer days. We live in an area that experiences extreme heat, so this pergola was the perfect option. Assembling and installing this pergola is a breeze. The instructions include step-by-step diagrams, and the kit consists of hardware tools you will need, like ground stakes and bolts. You can quickly fix this pergola to a concrete or wood surface. We especially liked its rust-free aluminum frame, which is bound to last longer than a wooden frame. Some homeowners who prefer a premium wood pergola might disagree, but we feel that it functions very well for its price. At number 3, we have the Regency Grande Vinyl Pergola. If you want to add a touch of Mediterranean elegance to your backyard patio or garden, opt for the Regency Grande Vinyl Pergola. The assembly needs 2 persons and takes considerable time, but detailed instructions are included to help with the process. You will need a level, drill, measuring tape, and ladder to assemble it. We especially liked the white finish of this pergola. It is made from high-quality, weather-resistant vinyl polymers that look like real wood. One of the most significant advantages of having this pergola is its quick and hassle-free maintenance. All you would need to do is wash it down properly with the garden hose once in a while. At number 2, we have the pergola with swing set. We have included a wide range of pergolas in this list, except a dedicated structure for a swing set. It includes pre-assembled panels made from Western red cedar. Assembling it is much easier and quicker than all the other products we have reviewed. It consists of a chain and hanging bolts for attaching the swing. You will appreciate the sanded finish of this pergola, as it lends a sophisticated look to any outdoor space where it is placed. The swing has an overall width of 52 inches, while its seat is 43 inches wide. It has a durable and stylish finish, which ensures that it will last for years. It is one of the more affordable products on our list. It is relatively smaller and is specifically designed to accommodate a swing set. Accordingly, its design includes only 1 open side to the front, while the other 3 include panels. And finally, at number 1, we have the Purple Leaf Retractable Pergola with Sunshade Canopy. We admired this pergola for its value for money and versatile design. The adjustable canopy comes in 4 colors, allowing you to find the perfect match for your outdoor space. The aluminum frame is powder-coated for longevity, and the 10 by 12 foot coverage area provides ample space for furniture and guests. The Purple Leaf Pergola may require additional reinforcement for those living in areas with high winds or frequent inclement weather. Securing the structure to the ground is recommended for safety and sturdiness. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!